let's try the chicken.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, it just comes right off like this, so soft and tender. Look at the juices on the inside.
Hi everybody, my friend Hao and I, we're about to go visit Nasi Kandar. Alright, we just made it. The green vegetables. Also just this chicken. Yes. And one egg. Okay.
Okay, thank you. 750.
Okay, everybody. So we just came into Nasi Kandar, which is located right on the love lane. And right now, I'm about to show you what I got. What I have on my plate. I got the egg. I got the green beans. I got the rice, and I got the chicken. Chicken with the sauce on top. And I also got myself another sauce. And here's the plate. That's it right there. How is it?
It's good. The best chicken in Penang.
Hao says it's the best chicken in Pinang, and he told me if he leaves Malaysia, he will. This is the only place that he will miss, especially for the chicken. All right, time to eat. Right now I'm gonna go with the rice with the sauce. Over here. Very nice. Sauce is very rich in flavor. It's slightly spicy, and really good. Up next we have the green beans, which I'm gonna show it to you right now, and it's gonna go right into my mouth. Beans are nice. Very nice beans, and I think the beans come with like chili peppers as well. Sauce is really nice. Up next is the egg. The egg is really good. Okay, everybody. Up next, I'm gonna show you guys the chicken. One more bite. The chicken, it's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And you can definitely taste all the spices and the flavors in there. Really nice. I don't know what they use for the sauces here, but the sauce is awesome. So good. Okay everyone, my plate is finished. So another plate coming right up.
The Thai restaurant.
Yes.
Thai.
Thank you.
Sauce.
Yep. And I do this squid. That's right, squid.
Rice cake.
Okay guys, I'm right on my second plate of chicken with rice. I got myself a squid. I'm gonna show it to you right now. So here's the squid that I have. You can see on the outside it's crispy and soft on the inside too. Okay, let's go with the squid.
How's that?
Crunchy, nice, delicious. It's like a chip. It's really good. Squid is really nice. Now let's try some rice with the different types of the sauce. The red sauce and the other type of sauce. All right. Oh yeah. The thing with the sauce here is that you can eat anything you want with the sauce. It blends everything so nicely together. The sauce is the secret. One more time. One more time. Very nice. Now I'll just squid with the rice together. Yeah, look at these three beautiful pieces of squid. 1, 2, 3.
There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy.
That was nice. No, let's try the let's try the chicken.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, it just comes right off like this, so soft and tender. Look at the juices on the inside. Look at this chicken.
Now let's go with the chicken here. Look at this. Look at this baby right here. How do you even begin? I don't know, but we're about to find out. This chicken here, the red one, is much more soft than the one I had before, and it's more juicy and more spicy. Very nice. I think for the sauce, it has like a pepper in here, maybe some carrots, maybe some peppers, red peppers.
Wild.
Wow.
Wow.
There's one. Okay. Right now I'm about to say something that might be embarrassing, but If I saw a girl on the beach in a white bikini standing on the rock, and then next to the rock I saw a plate of Nasi Kandar, I would probably go with a Nasi Kandar. so no girls in the bikinis for me. Hi everybody, so we just finished eating our meals. I was showing thumbs up.
Satisfied.
I was very satisfied. I'm also very satisfied. I had 2 plates. First plate was chicken with the darker sauce, and then the other plate I had chicken with the red sauce. Both plates are really, really nice, very delicious, tasty. They have. Hold up. Okay. All right. So that place has like lamb, beef, chicken, squid, and vegetables, beans, cabbage, and fish heads, and different types of things that you can have on there. Very, very good. And it's located right in Love Lane, and you can't miss it. It's awesome. It's awesome. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.